Immigrants does not open jobs up for native-born workers.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got a brand new radio from PRUNUS. It's the J-06. It's a brand new radio, but it's old technology. No muting while tuning. So it uses an old radio receiver chip before the DSP ones that mute while tuning. It's very basic. It's AM and FM, plenty of volume, good sound from a nice big speaker, pretty good size, has a carrying handle. It's table model and portable. It's table model in that it comes with an AC cord that you can plug in the back, right there, or you can use 2 D-cell batteries. Now, we're talking D-cell batteries, which have a lot of capacity. And with the little bit of circuitry that's going to draw power from that battery is going to last a long time. You can play this thing for a long time. It's about 8.4 inches by 3 inches, by 3 inches deep and 5 inches high. So, like I say, it has a carrying handle, very lightweight, telescopic antenna, which I don't even have the telescopic antenna extended, and I'm receiving my test FM station over in Tampa, clear as a bell. The reception on this thing is great. Now, on AM, the reception is great, but it is directional. So the AM stations are that way, so I have to point the radio this way, which you'll see in a few minutes. Very, very easy to use. It has your power selection, AC or battery, your band selection here, FM or AM. Nice, easy to read dial. Very easy to read. Power indicator. Over here we have the tuning knob, or wheel, and the on-off volume wheel, earphone jack. I prefer turning knobs. That's just my preference, that's all. Okay, let's see what it does. Let me move things around here. There we go. Move the camera down a little bit. Oops, show my crummy old desk. I don't want to do that. My desk is pretty old. It's almost as old as me. You know how old that is. Let's turn the volume up. Now, we're on FM, so we got to be careful of music.
Thousands of people along their shared border have had to flee their homes.
Telescopic antennas down.
Artillery shelling. With Fazil Manullah Kazizai in Kabul, for NPR News, I'm Betsy Joels in Islamabad.
Straight out there right now. Stressed.
Do start. I have to tune fast to stay off music. Okay, let's go to AM. And like I say, we have to turn it this way because the stations are that way. And I hold my hand over here, and I'm at the top of the band. There's no muting.
Are you jealous for my sake? Would that all of the
Clear as a bell.
prophets,
Wow.
would that the Lord might be
That's amazing.
Spirit on them all.
Music.
Ali Larijani, it leads the Islamic regime's leadership increasingly built.
You always need to stick your fingers to test your blood sugar. The new way to
Yeah, I hate that.
Right from wrong, and we'll defend the right. I'm Hugh Hewitt.
Y'all got the big event coming up tomorrow here.
Let's see where we are. Okay, we're near the end of the band. Okay, let's turn it down. when we're not on the station, we get quite a bit of noise because I'm in my office. I apologize for that. I need to move downstairs to my radio. Anyway, let me show it to you up close one more time. The J-06, you can get this off of Amazon. Analog old school radio with great sound, great reception. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And have a great day. Bye-bye.